In the Raw dog food from I Am Loving You is a culinary masterpiece, sure to win you much applause, admiration, and high fives from even the toughest critics. It looks like an impressive homemade meal, but between you and me, you don't need a culinary degree to make this. Introducing In the Raw. In the Raw is made from scratch using real, raw, freeze-dried meat and dehydrated fruits and vegetables. These gentle methods preserve all the nutrients and goodness, leaving whole, fresh ingredients, better than that humdrum overcooked kibble. And for all of you without a show on the Food Network, get this. In the Raw is simple to make. Simply add water and boom, dinner is served. You mix 1 part In the Raw to 2 parts water for every meal. But don't worry, we've done the math for you. Simply look up the feeding guidelines on the back of the bag for your pet's size and age. And if your dog eats twice a day like mine does, divide those quantities in half. It's all the goodness of raw homemade food without all the thawing and preparing. So my super secret tip to make this even easier is just to make 3 or 4 days worth at a time. Just keep it in the fridge where the real good food is kept and spoon out what you need at mealtime. Crazy easy. In the Raw is also a screamin' value because it's a big deal in a little package. This modest bag of food will make, get this, 36 pounds of fresh prepared food, which is like, OMG, buying a big bag of kibble. And our smaller bag makes 10 pounds of food. Since In the Raw is all fresh and homemade-like, your dog will have a way easier time digesting it. So you'll notice less poo in the blue. You'll also notice less stinky issues like bad breath and gas. So we won't have to deal with embarrassing stinky issues anymore. In the Raw comes in 3 fantastic all-life stage recipes. Chicken and oats, grain-free beef and sweet potato, and grain-free turkey and sweet potato. All these recipes are all natural and contain nothing scary like additives, byproducts, fillers, or zombies. I know you are so excited to whip up a batch for your pup right now, but make sure you transition slowly so he doesn't have an upset tummy. We've made it easy for you. The transition guidelines are on the back of the bag. In the Raw will have your dog looking and feeling great, faster than ticket sales for a Justin Bieber concert. And that's why we all love I Am Loving You. And you will too.